Here's a nice question. You're asked to reduce the rational expression. So first thing I want to do with each of these is I want to factor them. So I want to factor the top and want to factor the bottom. Probably, not probably, but I'd also, when I factor them, it looks like they're t squared t in a number, so it's like an AC factoring, but I'd also look for a common factor. And you have to do those things separate. So let's try that. So the first one, I think with this top one, I can factor a 5 out of everything. So I'll take a 5 out. That'll leave me with t squared plus 3t plus 10 divided 2 is 5. No, 10 divided 5 is 2. Okay, over on the bottom also take out I can take a 25 out of those. So take out a 25, leaving me with t squared minus 100 divided 25 is 4t minus 125 divided 25, I think is 5. So I've taken a common factor out. And maybe while we're at it there, I was thinking I could simplify the 5 and the 25, but maybe I'll do that as part of the next step too. So let's leave a 5 there. Now, this top thing is t squared t in a number, so I can factor it into two things. So two things, I multiply to 2 and add to 3. Going to be 2 and 1. So I'll put a t here and a t there. There'll be a plus 2 and a plus 1. Okay, so that's the top factor. On the bottom, the 25, I'm just going to write as 5 times 5, just so I can see that I can cancel some of that. And then on the bottom, two things that multiply to a negative 5 times to a negative 5, and they have to add to a negative 4. So 1 and negative 5. If I multiply that, it gives me negative 5. If I add, that gives me negative 4 too. Those are my numbers. So I'll have my two brackets, t and t, and it'll be a plus 1 and a minus 5. There. So I have numerator and denominator both completely factored. Now if there's a common factor on top and bottom, I can cancel them. So there's a 5 and there's a 5. T plus 1 and t plus 1. So I don't think I can cancel anything else. So on top I'm left with a t plus 2. And on the bottom I have a 5 and a t minus 5. That would be that expression reduced to lowest terms. So just when I saw your work, I saw that you were looking to factor out a 5 and a 25, but do that one step. Okay, so factor out your 5 first, then take a look at what you have left and see if you can factor it. All right, hopefully that helps.